Hey there, health seekers! Did you know that applying castor oil with Epsom salt to this specific spot can help you tackle 7 different health problems in just 48 hours? Sounds intriguing, right? Let's dive straight into the first benefit and break down exactly how this combo works its magic. Let's start with the first issue, easing sinus congestion. Ever felt like your head is about to burst or struggled to breathe through your nose? Sinus congestion can be super annoying, especially when it brings that awful pressure around your eyes and nose. Usually it's because of inflammation or a buildup of mucus in your sinus cavities, making your nose feel stuffed up and your breathing heavy. But the good news? The fix might be easier than you think. Castor oil mixed with Epsom salt could be the natural, effective solution you've been looking for. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties help calm down those irritated nasal membranes, while Epsom salt cleanses your skin and absorbs extra fluid, reducing pressure and clearing up that stuffy sensation. It's really simple to use, too. Just warm a few drops of castor oil and gently massage it around your nose and forehead, focusing on where you feel the most pressure. Want to take it up a notch? Mix it with some Epsom salt and apply it using a warm cloth over your face for 10 to 15 minutes. The heat will help open up your nasal passages and ease the pressure. Try doing this once or twice a day, and you'll soon notice the congestion fading away. No fuss, but lots of relief, helping you breathe freely again. Now, hang tight, because while this remedy is pretty amazing, there are some people who should avoid it. So, stick around as I share who might want to skip this treatment. Thanks for being so patient. I promise it'll be worth it. Now let's move on to the second issue, joint pain relief. As we get older, joint pain can become an all-too-familiar part of life. Whether it's your knees, shoulders, or hands, that stiffness and discomfort can really slow you down and make everyday activities feel like a chore. Often, this pain is caused by inflammation in the joints, thanks to arthritis, or just the natural wear and tear that comes with age. It can feel frustrating when your mobility is limited, and even the simplest tasks become a challenge. But here's the bright side. Castor oil, paired with Epsom salt, could be the soothing, natural relief you've been looking for. Castor oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, a strong anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce swelling and calm those achy joints. Meanwhile, Epsom salt is full of magnesium, which works to relax your muscles and ease the stiffness around your joints, offering you much-needed relief from that persistent pain. Using this remedy is straightforward. Warm a little castor oil and mix in some Epsom salt, then gently massage the blend onto the sore joint in a circular motion. For even better results, place a warm cloth over the area for about 20 minutes to help the oils penetrate deeper into your skin and improve circulation. Doing this once or twice a day can really make a difference, helping to ease your discomfort and get some of that flexibility back. It's an easy and effective way to care for your joints without the need for heavy-duty medications. Let's move to the third issue, reducing muscle soreness. Muscle soreness is something we all deal with, especially as the years add up. Whether it's from some light gardening, an unexpectedly long walk, or simply waking up feeling stiff, sore muscles can really put a damper on your day. That lingering ache makes even the easiest activities feel like a challenge. And let's be real, it takes longer to bounce back as we age. That's where the magic of castor oil and Epsom salt comes in. Castor oil has natural anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe sore muscles, while Epsom salt, rich in magnesium, works wonders by relaxing tight muscles and flushing out toxins that may be contributing to your discomfort. Together, these two ingredients form a powerful team to relieve muscle pain and speed up recovery. So, how do you use this remedy? It's super easy. Warm up some castor oil and mix in a little Epsom salt. Massage this soothing blend into the areas where your muscles feel tense or achy. If you want even more relief, soak a cloth in warm water with Epsom salt and apply it over the sore spots. After a long day or any strenuous activity, this simple trick can help ease the soreness and leave you feeling much more comfortable. Instead of waiting around for the pain to pass, this natural remedy helps your muscles recover faster, giving you the care they deserve. Now let's move on to the fourth issue, improving digestion. As we age, our digestion can start to slow down, leading to uncomfortable issues like bloating, gas, or even constipation. These problems can leave you feeling sluggish and disrupt your day, making it hard to enjoy life as much as you'd like. When digestion slows, it also affects how well your body absorbs those all-important nutrients, which is something we need to stay on top of as we age. Luckily, castor oil can be a gentle, natural way to give your digestion a boost. It acts as a mild stimulant for your digestive system, helping to ease constipation and support regular bowel movements. And when you pair it with Epsom salt, the benefits get even better. Epsom salt helps detoxify your body, pulling out waste and excess fluids that can leave you feeling heavy and bloated. Together, they create a powerful remedy to promote smoother digestion. Here's how to use it. Warm up a little castor oil and gently massage it onto your abdomen in circular motions, especially in the spots where you feel the most bloating or discomfort. For an added bonus, mix in a bit of Epsom salt and place a warm compress over your abdomen for 15 to 20 minutes. This helps the oil penetrate deeper into your skin, promoting relaxation and boosting digestion. Try doing this before bed for a soothing and effective way to unwind. Instead of letting that discomfort weigh you down, this method can help you feel lighter and more comfortable. Now let's talk about the fifth issue: boosting circulation. Poor circulation can become a common issue. You might notice your hands and feet feel colder, or maybe your legs and feet swell after standing or sitting for too long. These are often signs that your blood flow isn't as strong as it once was. Proper circulation is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout your body and removing waste products. When blood flow slows down, it can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and even more serious problems like varicose veins. This is where castor oil and Epsom salt can really help. Castor oil naturally boosts circulation by improving blood flow to the areas where it's applied. Meanwhile, Epsom salt, rich in magnesium, helps relax blood vessels and further supports healthy circulation. Together, they create a powerful combo that can enhance blood flow, reduce swelling, and improve your overall comfort. To try this remedy, warm up some castor oil and massage it into your legs, feet, or anywhere you're noticing poor circulation. Mix in a little Epsom salt for extra relaxation, and for the best results, place a warm compress on the area. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to really allow the oil to absorb and get your blood flowing. Doing this regularly can help keep your circulation in check, reducing discomfort and helping you stay active and comfortable throughout the day. This simple routine can make a big difference in how you feel. Next up, let's address the sixth issue: relieving menstrual cramps. For many women, menstrual cramps can be a frustrating and painful part of the monthly cycle. These cramps happen when the uterus contracts to shed its lining, causing discomfort that can range from a mild ache to more intense pain. While some people turn to over-the-counter medications for relief, others may prefer a more natural approach. If you're looking for a soothing, natural way to ease those painful cramps, castor oil and Epsom salt could be just the solution. Castor oil is great at relaxing muscles and reducing inflammation, making it perfect for easing the tension that comes with menstrual cramps. Epsom salt, on the other hand, acts as a muscle relaxant, helping to relieve the muscle spasms causing the discomfort. Together, they offer a gentle, comforting way to manage the pain without relying on harsh medications. Here's how to use it. Warm up a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it onto your lower abdomen, focusing on the areas where the cramps are strongest. For an added boost, dissolve some Epsom salt in warm water, soak a cloth in it, and place the cloth over your abdomen for about 20 minutes. The warmth helps relax your muscles and improves blood flow to the area, bringing relief from the cramps. This simple, natural remedy can make your period a little more bearable, helping you manage the pain and go about your day with more comfort. Let's move on to the seventh issue: healing minor wounds. As we age, our skin tends to take a bit longer to heal from minor cuts, scrapes, or abrasions. Whether it's from an accident in the garden or a little slip in the kitchen, these small injuries can be frustrating when the healing process slows down. Keeping the area clean and promoting faster recovery is essential to avoid infections and stay comfortable. Castor oil can be a fantastic natural remedy for helping small wounds heal. Its antimicrobial properties protect the wound by preventing bacteria from getting in, reducing the risk of infection. Plus, castor oil encourages new tissue growth, speeding up the healing process. Pair that with Epsom salt, which cleanses the skin and soothes any irritation, and you've got a gentle, effective way to care for those everyday cuts and scrapes. Here's how you can use it. Start by gently cleaning the wound with water and patting it dry. Warm a small amount of castor oil and apply it directly to the affected area. You can also dissolve a bit of Epsom salt in water to clean around the wound before applying the oil. Once you've done that, cover the wound with a clean bandage to keep it protected. Repeat this once or twice a day, and you'll see the wound heal faster than usual. This simple routine will help keep your skin healthy and ensure those small injuries heal in no time. Make sure to choose high-quality castor oil and Epsom salt from a trusted source. You'll find my top recommendations in the video description below, but feel free to purchase them wherever you feel confident. If you found today's video valuable, you might be interested in my other video on 14 shocking benefits of castor oil at night. You can find it somewhere on the screen here, so feel free to click and check it out. I think you'll find it just as helpful.